Chapter number 1. Extra short questions. Root system. Roots are the underground parts of the plants forming a system specialized for absorption of water and minerals from the soil. Primary root or tap root. The initial root which grows from radicle of the embryo is the primary root or tap root. Secondary and tertiary root system. Primary root or tap roots further branches form secondary and tertiary root system. Root cap. Root tip is covered by hard and protective structure called root cap. Root hairs. The region of maturation has root hairs. Root hairs are thread-like outgrowths of epidermal cells which increase the surface area for absorption of water. Fibrous roots. Plants, like grasses and strawberry, have thread-like roots spread in soil but not growing deep. Such roots are called fibrous roots. Internal structure of root. The main parts in the internal structure of root are epidermis, cortex, endodermis, vascular bundles, i.e., xylem and phloem. Vascular system. Xylem and phloem form vascular system. Xylem conducts water and minerals absorbed from roots to leaves through stem. Phloem transports food from leaves to roots and other parts of the plants. Shoot system. The aerial parts of the plants such as stem, its branches, leaves, flowers, and fruit, etc., specialized for different functions, make the shoot system. Stem. Stem is usually the aerial part of the plant. It provides support to its branches, leaves, flowers and fruit, etc. Vascular bundles run through stem to leaves. Leaf. Stem and its branches bear leaves. Leaves are the organs which are well exposed to light and well adapted for preparation of food during photosynthesis. A leaf is provided with a stalk called petiole. Its flat green part is called blade or lamina, which has many veins. The middle strong vein is called midrib. Diffusion. Movement of material particles from the area where they are more to the area where they are less is called diffusion. Osmosis. The diffusion through membranes is called osmosis. Stomata. A large number of stomata in lower epidermis of the leaf helps in absorption of carbon dioxide and release of surplus oxygen in the environment. Photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is defined as the process during which carbon dioxide and water combine in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll to form glucose and oxygen. Carbon dioxide plus water plus sunlight energy food plus oxygen. The process of photosynthesis depends on the following factors. 1. Light, carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and temperature. Mineral nutrition in plants. Minerals are the chemical substances required by an organism for growth and other vital functions. Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, nitrogen, magnesium, etc. Respiration in plants. Respiration is defined as the process during which glucose reacts with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide, water and energy required for survival of life. Food plus oxygen, carbon dioxide plus water plus chemical energy. Transpiration. The excessive water is removed through stomata and from the aerial parts of the plants. The loss of water from aerial parts of the plants is called transpiration. Wind, temperature, light, and humidity are the main factors that affect the rate of transpiration. Capillary action. Very narrow glass tubes are called capillary tubes. Water moves up in the capillary tubes due to interaction between water molecules and surface of the tubes. This effect is called capillary action.